Hey everyone, Brian Lagunas here, and today I am super excited. The reason I'm excited because I get to make an announcement. That's right, here is an official announcement for my brand new Pluralsight course called Introduction to Prism for WPF. Now, as you may know, I've been working on this course for some time now. I actually created part of this course during my live stream on Twitch. You may have seen some of that, you've probably seen some of the recordings, but it's all done. It's wrapped up. It's ready for you for your viewing pleasure. I mean, I am super pumped, and right now, I'm going to give you a little treat. That's right. I wouldn't be Brian if I didn't give a treat, right? So, I'm going to give you the first look at the new Introduction to Prism for WPF Pluralsight course trailer. This is the world premiere, and you get to see it now.
World premiere.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian Lagunas, and welcome to my course, Introduction to Prism for WPF. By day, I am a senior product owner at Infragistics, a world leader in UI components. By night, I'm the creator, owner, and maintainer of the Prism library. If you're tired of writing large, monolithic WPF applications with tons of code behind that are difficult to extend, test, and maintain, then you should start using Prism. In this course, you will learn the basic concepts required to design and build composite WPF desktop applications using the Prism library. Some of the major topics that we will cover will include understanding regions, what role they play, and how you can use them to display views to your user. We'll learn how we can break down a large monolithic application by identifying major functional areas of your application and converting them into smaller, more manageable modules. We'll learn how we can navigate views in and out of regions within our application by using the region navigation feature shipped with Prism. And finally, we will learn different techniques for communicating between loosely coupled components, such as commanding, event aggregation, and by using a dialog service. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of the Prism library needed to develop loosely coupled, maintainable, and testable WPF applications using Prism. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with developing WPF applications. You should also be experienced in XAML, C#, Visual Studio, and have a solid understanding of the MVVM design pattern. An understanding of dependency injection is also preferred. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into more advanced Prism topics with courses on mastering the tab control, showing multiple shells, loading dependent views, and loading modules based on user roles. These courses follow a problem-solution format, in which we present a problem and then later provide a solution. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the Prism library with the Introduction to Prism for WPF course at Pluralsight.